Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video I'm going to show you how to increase the maximum file upload size on your WordPress website, and we are going to add a plugin onto the WordPress website and edit from there. So let's get started. First of all, you need to log into your website. So I'm going to type in my website name and then /login. Click login. Now I'm on my WordPress website dashboard. So if you go on to the media and click on add new, you can see the maximum upload file size is only 100 megabyte. And if you are trying to upload a larger files and you are unable to do so because the file size exceeds the maximum file upload size, let's try a new file size. See, this is 195 kilobytes, so we'll try and upload this. It's uploaded. Now if you are going to increase it to, let's say, 5 GB or 10 GB, I'm going to show how you can do that. So go on to your plugins and then click add new and then click upload plugin. So we are going to upload this plugin all-in-one WordPress migration. If you search for it, it will show you the newer version, and newer version does not allow you to edit the maximum upload file size. So we're going to drag and drop this older version of all-in-one WordPress migration. So I have added a link on the video. You can click on it and you'll be able to download this. I'm going to download it now. It's downloaded. You can just drag and drop it and then click install. Now activate plugin. You can see all-in-one WordPress migration is here, and if you click on import, now its upload size is 512 megabyte. So we are going to increase it to, let's say, 10 gigabyte. To do that, you need to go on to plugins and then plugin file editor. Now select the all-in-one WordPress migration from here and click select. Now the WordPress migration is selected. Now click on constants.php. Now click on this page and press Ctrl F and search for max file size. As you can see, it selected the max file size. Now on 254 row, just put your mouse here and click, and then click a space, then multiply button on your keyboard, then space, and type in 20. Now click update file. File edited successfully. Now click on dashboard, all-in-one WordPress migration, then click import. As you can see, maximum file upload size is 10 GB now. I hope you find this video helpful. Please subscribe to my channel and hit the like button. Thank you.